Hello guys, my name is Zishan and welcome to Super Tradish YouTube channel. In this video, I'll talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, Dotcoin and few other Metaverses coins that you have been looking for. But before I do that, I request you to please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification and put your favorite altcoin in the comment box below and I'll try to analyze that for you. Alright. Let's start this by looking at the Bitcoin chart, this Bitcoin daily chart. As you can see, we were watching this head and shoulder pattern. This was the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder, as you guys know. And this is the neckline here. And we broke the neckline right here. And after breaking the neckline, price consolidated here for a bit, and two lines that you are seeing here is one is 21 moving average and the other is 34 moving average. As you can see, the 21 and 34 moving averages are containing this price here, as you can see here as well. And I'm expecting when the price comes back up here, the price will contain and will start a sell off here from this moving averages as well, because in the past these moving averages were acting as a support and resistance area, as you can see here, and I'm expecting same will happen here. And as you can see, this is not a moving average support resistance area, but this is a horizontal support and resistance area on the Bitcoin as well. So that is why I'm pretty sure that when the price comes back up here at around 40k or 39k, we'll start to see a selling pressure from this. And if I go to the weekly chart and see and disable these lines for a bit, and as you can see, today is Sunday, and in like 24 hours this candle will be closed. And if we see a weekly candle closes like this, like bullish candle, then we can anticipate a bullish momentum will carry throughout the week to at least $40,000, $41,000 level. So in a short term, we might see a move a little bit up from here, but selling pressure can start from any time in the Bitcoin. If I go to the 4-hour time frame, and you can also see this is a corrective pattern on the Bitcoin, and it is same like this, as you can see, and right after that we saw a dump in the price, and that's exactly what I'm anticipating here. So that being said, we might expect a little bit up from here, the Bitcoin, all the way towards the 40 and 41k. Then we'll start a selling pressure. That's the anticipation. And with that anticipation, let's analyze the Ethereum chart on the daily chart. Let's go here, and we can see the Ethereum has started to bounce right after our head and shoulder price prediction here. The price prediction for this head and shoulder was at around $2,200 level, and exactly price bounced up from here. And that was not only a price prediction level here, but that was also a support resistance area as well, as you can see. So right now we might see a little bit up pressure from this Ethereum chart all the way back to around $2,800 level, where you will find a resistance. So the chart is telling me that we might go a little bit up from here, but we will face a selling pressure at around $2,800 and $2,900 level. All right, so guys, be very careful. The upside potential is limited and the downside potential is huge from here. Let's now go to the PolkaDot coin, and as you can see, we were watching this triangle pattern, and triangle pattern broke to the downside here, and the price prediction for this triangle is at around $15 level, which it almost hit around $16. It went low as $16 and it just shy $1 from the target. but right now, as you can see, we are seeing a small candles. When we see a small candles just before the huge sell pressure, that's an indication that we will continue to go towards the same direction. All right, like here we saw a breakout here, and right after the breakout we are seeing a consolidation here, and consolidation in a downtrend tends to break out again in the direction of the trend, and as you know, the trend is in the downside. So guys, be very careful here on the dot coin. We might see a little bit up from here, then we'll start a selling pressure. That's what charts are telling me, and that's what the trend is telling me. Let's do a quick analysis on the ADA Cardano coin here as well. And if I go to the weekly chart, I can see this support and resistance level here at around $1 level. As you can see, multiple touches are being formed at around $1 level, and the weekly candle is looking very bullish right now. If we see a little bit up from here, then it will be a nice for bulls to carry throughout the next week. But be very careful guys. If we see a breakdown from this level at around $1 level, the next support level I am seeing here is lining up at around 40 cents. So this level must hold on the Cardano at around $1 level, otherwise we'll see a 40 cents in the Cardano coin. All right, now let's analyze Sandbox here. As you can see in the weekly chart, we are forming a very bullish candle on the weekly chart, as you can see, and we are finding a support at around 34-week moving average. So that's a good sign for the time being. And if this weekly candle closes like this, then we will expect a move towards the upside, at least to this resistance level at around $5 level. That's what the weekly chart is saying. Now let's go to the daily chart, and you can see the price is making a lower lows and lower highs, and right now the price is trading at around $3.85 level. And as you can see, this is a resistance area, and not only this is a horizontal resistance area, but it is also a vertical trend line resistance area as well, as you can see. And not only this is a trend line resistance area, but here we see a 21-day moving average as well, and you can see the 21-day moving average here acted as a support in the past, here as well, here has acted as a resistance, and I'm sure there is a lot of confluence and we will see some sort of selling pressure at this point. So all the factors are telling me that we might see a little bit bounce from this level back to at least this next support level. If I go to the 4-hour time frame, the next support level I can see is at around $3.5 level, and we will see a price going towards at least this level. So if you guys want to take a short entry on the BYBIT account, you can do that easily and make 10% gains without the leverage. If you do it with the leverage, like say 2x leverage will earn you 19% gains here easily. So if you guys want to open an account on the BYBIT exchange, you can do that with my link. If you sign up through my link, you can find the link in the description, where you can also claim up to $4,500 bonuses. So sign up through my link, deposit money there, and start to trade and make money like shorting this coin. Alright, now let's talk about the Mana coin, Decentraland Mana. And as you can see, same sort of thing is happening in the Mana coin as well. we were watching this head and shoulder pattern broke to the downside here, and we made a lower low, and right now we are in a corrective phase. Look at this, guys, the selling candles and the bullish candles. The momentum is very visible in the selling candles, and the buying pressure and the buying pressure you can see on these candles are very narrow. So expect a huge selling from this area, because as you can see, this was a support back then. Here this was whole support area. It broke out, and now it is retesting again here at around $2.50 level. So I am expecting a selling pressure from this level here as well, because just above that we are having a 21-day moving averages, and that acted as a resistance in the past as well, as you can see. So guys, be very careful here. We might expect a selling pressure from this coin as well. And the next support level I can see, if we initiate a sell pressure from this level at around $2.5 level, the next support level is at around $1.60 level. As you can see, a very nice support and resistance area here. So guys, be very careful here on the Mana coin. Now let's analyze Gala Games for a bit, and as you can see, same sort of thing happened here in the Gala coin as well. We were watching this head and shoulder pattern here, and that head and shoulder pattern broke here. This broke the neckline, and right after the breaking we saw a dump of about 70%, 68%. And I told you in my channel, and we were watching this head and shoulder pattern, and everybody was buying here, but I was warning you guys, and if you did listen to my advice, then you would have stayed away from this coin. Alright, and right now we are trading at the support area here, but if you analyze here further, you can see this was also a support and resistance zone, right? And we technically broke out and retested this, and right now the buying candles are not showing momentum here. As you can see, this price action is mimicking this price action, and what we saw after that, we saw a nice dump here, and that is exactly what I am anticipating again here. If Bitcoin price started to dump from, let's say, $40,000 level, then we will see a dump in the Gala coin here as well, all the way back to this level here. The level is at around 7 cents. So if we see a dump in the Bitcoin at around $40,000, $39,000 level, then expect the Gala coin to go towards this 14 cents region here first, and then the ultimate target, if the bearish trend continues, we'll see a 6 cent in the Gala coin. I know that's not a good news if you are holding a Gala coin, but if you believe in this project for the long term, what you can do is dollar cost average at these prices here, and here as well. So in the long run, when the bullish trend starts, you will have a nice buying average from these levels as well. So I hope that makes sense. Alright, now let's analyze Indian coin here as well. Same sort of pattern is repeating all across the board, especially this Metaverse coin were showing this head and shoulder kind of structure here. As you can see, the same structure, left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder here, and that's a neckline. Let me do a quick price prediction for this neckline here like this and extend it outward, then you can see a negative price prediction. That's not possible, but that goes to show me that this is a very bearish pattern here, and we will expect a price to go towards this lows at around 14 cents if this bearish trend continues like this. And if we see our Bitcoin goes towards like say $20,000 level, then we will see Indian coin goes towards this 50 cents or even much lower than that. So guys, be very careful in the Indian coin as well. We need Bitcoin to show us support here, otherwise the whole crypto market will tank, and the pattern that I'm seeing right now is not looking good. Unless we see a bullish kind of formation and make a higher highs and lower highs again, then I'll change my bias in the future videos. But right now the market is making a lower lows and lower highs, and the trend is down, and we should trade in the direction of the trend, and that's the easy way to make money here. Alright, I hope you guys like this video analysis on all the coins. The bottom line is I'm expecting a selling in the Bitcoin at around 39, 40 and 41k, and that sell will lead to the bleeding in the altcoins as well. So guys, be very careful in the altcoin markets and in the Bitcoin market as well. If I see any bullish signs in the Bitcoin, I'll make a video about it and will let you know. But for now, as long as we are trading below 40k, I'm bearish in the Bitcoin. If you like this analysis so far, then please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.